Here is the beef liver I got with our side of beef. Now, liver, any kind of meat should be no more than a 1/4 inch thick. And this seems to be closer to a half. So I am going to slice these into little thin. You know what? I'm going to make these strips longer, I think. Raw or dehydrated. This is going to take a long time. Now, if there's any fat, you cut fat off. Why? Because fat will spoil your dehydrated meat. There you go, Gracie. Now we're just going to cut these in thin strips and lay them on the mesh tray. Sure that they have room all around them. Now, the liver treats I buy are quite big. Some of them are freeze-dried, some of them are dehydrated. But you know what? They're $10 a bag. Let's get this a little closer to you. Gracie's sitting here like a dirty blanket. Not too much, and no more than a few a day. This is really rich. But Gracie has so few things she can eat because most dog treats and stuff have corn in them, and she's allergic. All right. I'm going to put these as I do them into the dehydrator, but I'm not going to turn it on until they're all ready. It's going to take me a few minutes, but we'll get there. In goes our last tray. Okay, we have it at 158 degrees. Can we get it up? There, 167 degrees we have. And the time it says 5 to 6 hours. Stop flashing. And there it is, set for 7 hours. I will check it occasionally. Nice. All right, our liver treats cooled down. Oh, wow. Seriously? Let's see how many we got out of that 2 pounds of liver. And these liver treats would have cost me close to $20 anywhere else. And this itself, look, just wipes clean. Look at that. I gotta tell you folks, I love my new London Sunshine dehydrator. It came with 6 trays, 6 mesh trays, and a fruit leather tray as well.